We get a lot of cool, incredible builds here at Reddick Brown Ford, and none other than the Black Ops Edition by Tuscany. This is the 2022 F-150 Black Ops by Tuscany RIPTIDE Edition. So this is the antimatter blue color, beautiful color on the 2022 F-150, all blacked out with the Black Ops package. You're gonna see a beautiful custom front bumper Black Ops. This is a suspension lift by Tuscany. You've got 35-inch BFG tires, blacked out wheels. This thing is incredible. It's a Lariat chassis, hard loaded, including moonroof, heated and cooled seats. It's got all the carbon fiber extras. Now these are limited production trucks. This is number 573 on the total builds for 2022 on the Tuscany Black Ops truck. This is available right now, dualed out exhaust with black tips, 615-397-3331. You can reach me, Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager, or you can email me at pattersonbrock@gmail.com. You're gonna love seeing this beautiful Black Ops F-150. Enjoy.